Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about the characteristics of an algorithm. Now we will see about the characteristics or properties of an algorithm. Input, output, definiteness, finiteness, effectiveness, all these are the characteristics of an algorithm. Now we will catch a few points about all these. Input. Input means the data which is given by the user to the computer for some process. Some algorithms may not take any input also, but generally algorithm takes 0 or more inputs. In this example, I want to print hello on the screen. Let us take C program only. And this is related to C programming syntax. Don't get any confusion about these int, main, braces, etc. At this point of time, you just focus on the importance of input. That's it. In other videos, we will discuss about these. So here to print hello on the screen, there is no matter of giving input to the computer. Simply we can write or print this hello statement by using printf function. And one more. If I want to print the sum of two numbers, exactly I have to provide two numbers as inputs to the computer for the addition process. So basing on these, we can understand that algorithm takes 0 or more inputs. Output. If we observe the above example only, by using printf function, we can display the hello statement on the screen. So this program is having one output. So algorithm must generate at least one output. Otherwise, it's no use of writing an algorithm. It must generate some result. Definiteness. Every statement should be unambiguous and should have a single and exact meaning. You cannot write any statement which cannot be understood or which cannot be solved. If the human cannot solve it, we can't ask our computers to solve that one. So every statement that you are writing should be definite. Suppose you cannot use the value of root minus 1. It is an imaginary number. You cannot consider it as a real number in the algorithm. So every statement must have the clear meaning and has only one meaning. Finiteness means algorithm must terminate at some point. Whether it is having 10 statements or 100 statements or 1000 statements, but it must have finite set of statements. The duration of the algorithm must be finite. Definitely we will stop writing after some statements, but the actual meaning here is that there are some programs which run continuously unless and until you stop them, like database server, Oracle server. If you start and leave the machine as it is and you don't stop it, then Oracle server, SQL server, web server will be keep on going. It's like a service, but algorithm is not a service. It is a procedure. So it must stop. Effectiveness. You should not write unnecessary statements in the algorithm. Whatever the statement you write, the objective is that it should do something. So algorithm is a procedure. And we have many procedures. Like a chemistry experiment done by the students in the laboratory gives a procedure. And physics experiment done by the students in the laboratory, also a procedure. Or if you take a procedure for preparing our dish, cooking of recipe is also a procedure. Now, whatever I gave the examples for the procedure needs some input. Like chemical experiment needs some chemicals and apparatus, and physics experiment needs instruments, and the recipe needs some ingredients. Then the objective of that procedure is to give some result. In these examples, exactly we should get some results. Otherwise, there is no use of those experiments. So here also, at least we should get one result or one output. Whatever we are writing the steps, all should be perfect and there is no unnecessary statements included. In this video, if you understand the concept, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.